Trout fishing on the Grand River, shot by the Altel Evo 1. Hi, this is Bill, and we're going to look at some local fishermen here on this 5-minute video. Just happened to be going by this spot on the way back from another shoot. You're going to see this one guy here on the left give us a wave after he saw me zooming in on him. But this is the Grand River in Northeast Ohio, and these guys are fly fishing for steelhead, which is really a trout. There, he waved at us a bit. I guess depending on how the fish travel and everything like that, you know, some people call them trout, some call them steelhead, some call them rainbow trout. If a trout mostly stays all in freshwater, I guess they're rainbow trout. And this Grand River here runs into Lake Erie, and therefore, since it's all freshwater fishing, I guess the term rainbow trout would apply if they were fishing out in Lake Erie. And since they're here on this tributary of the Grand River, trying to catch them right beneath the new dam and eel trap that was put in here, I guess you would call them steelhead. That's what, at least when I asked them, what are you fishing for, that's what they said. I saw some other guys fishing down here at the other end of the dam, so we came down here to take a look. While those other guys up front were fly fishing, these guys are just casting with some lure bait and casting to the edge of the falls, and then you know, reeling back. I guess there's different methods of fishing for this kind of fish, and I thought it was a little bit early, and I even asked one of the fishermen, you know, isn't this a little bit early to be fishing, because it's only, you know, like the third week of March, or, you know, third or fourth week of March. And he said, oh no, it's just the right time. The water is about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 5 degrees centigrade. So you know, they have waders on, but I hope that they're not leaky or anything like that, because I'd hate to be standing around in 40-degree water for any length of time. But let's see, we're gonna take a little closer look at these guys here. We came back to over here because I noticed there was one guy that was in a corner that I didn't catch the first time, so he's also fly fishing. And I asked him, you know, if anybody caught anything, if they had any luck, and it's the one guy on the bottom there, the lowest guy in the video. He actually did catch one, so their efforts were not in vain. And I don't know, it was kind of interesting to watch. There will be a lot of fishing down here all spring and summer, when, you know, the variety of fish caught changes from season to season. So you know, I thought it was just kind of interesting. You see the water's kind of muddy looking. That's because, you know, it's springtime and the waters are flowing pretty fast. You saw all the, you know, trees, limbs and everything like that piled up underneath the bridge, and that's because during the springtime, you know, the banks overflow and a lot of trees get taken out, and then they get washed downstream. And as you know, I mentioned before, this water runs downstream into Lake Erie. So here we're heading back, and we're gonna land this thing. I always turn it around and back it in so that I don't get too many warnings from the you know, Evo's sensors. So I hope you enjoyed this quick stop and a look at some Northeast Ohio fishermen. If you feel like it, leave a comment, and thanks for stopping by and watching. We have another video in the can, so we'll be putting that one up in a few weeks. Thanks for watching.